How's it going, guys? Josh here, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a bit of a vlog type video. I've got some LED strips to install on a desk. Now these were sent to me by Yeelight, who I think are owned by Xiaomi, but yeah, they sent these out a couple of months ago and I've not had a chance to really touch them yet because they accidentally sent me out a US power adapter instead of a UK one, so I had to find one myself. But yeah, I've got one now, so we're going to unbox them today, see what's in the box, and then install them on the back of this desk. I'll try and show you guys. Yeah, this is kind of the desk where I film all my products and stuff. So we're going to be putting them on the back of there, and then after they're installed, I'll show you guys all the effects and things like that. And yeah, we'll just see if they're any good. Let's go. Also, guys, you'll have to let me know what you think to this new lens. It just arrived this morning. It's a Leica 8 to 18mm for you camera nerds out there. But yeah, basically it means that I can fit loads in the shot now, so you guys can see absolutely everything. Before I was using a 16mm, which was like that, which yeah, even at arm's length, it's like I can't really show you guys the setup or anything like that. So yeah, this one should be a lot better. Yeah, it's awesome. Plus the new camera as well, got better stabilization and autofocus as well. So yeah, really happy with the new gear. You guys will have to let me know what you think to it down below in the comments. Anyway, let's do the unboxing. So just before we get into the box, guys, I'll show you a few of the notable features on the back. You'll notice here we've got voice control, which is pretty cool. We've seen this on quite a lot of the newer LED strips that come out nowadays. It does connect over Wi-Fi, so once you've connected it to Wi-Fi via the app, you can control the color of them and things like that. And they actually sync to music as well. So the microcontroller that comes with this actually has a microphone on. So yeah, if you play music and things, they can dance along to it, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I think this is a 2-meter kit. Like I said, they accidentally sent me the US version, so came with the wrong power adapter. But yeah, I'll show you guys everything that's in the box. So first of all, we've got the LED strips curled up nicely here. Now, the first thing you'll notice about these is that they are actually really good quality. If you have a look on this side of the strip, I'll try and show you guys. You can actually see Yeelight branding, which normally on like cheap LED kits, you don't tend to get branding. But yeah, they've actually gone to the trouble of doing that. So it kind of gives you a bit of an indication as to the quality of the whole kit, really. Pretty cool. So yeah, 2-meter kit. So it comes with adhesive on the back, so you can easily stick it to like your desk and things like that. Taking the lid off the box then, underneath we can see the rest of the stuff that is included. So we've got the user manual if for some reason you're not experienced at installing and setting up LED strips. So yeah, you've got the user manual there. This is the power adapter I was talking about. So we've got a power brick here, which this side connects to the microcontroller. But yeah, it has different attachments. They do actually sell a UK version, I believe. It's just they didn't have any to send me at the time. But yeah, this just snaps onto here and you connect it to the microcontroller. So this is the microcontroller. That's the bit that plugs in. So I'll show you guys. Pretty straightforward, just like that. And the strips are actually permanently connected to the controller, so it's not like normal LED kits where you can usually pull them apart. So I guess that's kind of a good thing because I always find they get pulled off accidentally. I believe this thing can actually be used as well to control the strips without having it connected over Wi-Fi. So if you did buy these and you weren't able to connect it, you can still select through some of the presets with this, which is kind of cool, I guess. So yeah, pretty standard stuff in the box, guys. Impressed with the overall quality of this kit. We're going to go and install them on the back of the desk now, and then once we've done that, we can download the app, get that installed, and then I can show you guys some of the effects. So this is the filming setup, guys. As you can see, it's pretty messy, but that's just the way filming setups are. But yeah, this is the table we're going to be installing the LED strips onto. So I normally use this table for like unboxings and product photography. So if I've ever got to get like a shot with a white background, I've got a wall there. So it's pretty handy. But yeah, I think it'd be nice if we had a little bit of color to it. So I'm going to be installing the LED strips round the back of here, round there, and then round onto the side as well. That way the entire corner will have like quite a nice ambient glow. I'm not going to put them on this side just because if I ever have to film from this angle, then you'll be able to see the bare LEDs, which I don't really want. But yeah, that's the plan. So let's go and install them. So guys, got the LED strips installed now. I've still got a little bit of cable management to do over there. But yeah, I've switched them on and they look great, really bright. We obviously need to download the app so that I can show you some of the effects. But if you want to just change the color, you can actually just hold down on this button underneath here. And yeah, it just kind of scrolls through all the colors and you just let go when you want it to stop. But yeah, we're gonna download the app. So I've gone ahead and downloaded the app, guys. It's called Yeelight. It's available on the Play Store and Apple Store as well. So once you've opened up the app, you'll be told to sign in or create an account. So I've created an account. And then you'll be told to add a device. So we're going to click Add Device, scroll down until we find our light strip. And then we're given some instructions to reset the device. A little bit confusing if you ask me. But yeah, we're just going to go and follow those instructions now. And then we should be able to add it. Alright, I think that worked, so we'll click next and hopefully it will be able to find the strip. Looks like it's found it. Click on that top one right there, hit next, and yeah, now we need to enter our Wi-Fi password so that we can connect the strip to our Wi-Fi. There we go, I've hit next, so hopefully it will be able to connect. So given the option to rename our strip here, I'm just going to leave it as Yeelight Light Strip Plus. This is quite interesting. We're given the option to have local area network control. So if you want it to be a little bit kind of snappier, you can select this option and I guess it means it will be controlled only on your local network, which could be useful, but I think I'll just leave it unchecked at the moment. So we're inside the main part of the app now where you can actually control the LED strips, and if you have a look at the top, we've got 3 tabs here: recommended, color and flow. I'll just go through each of these now. So on the recommended tab, this has just got some suggested themes for us. So if we click on movie over here, you can kind of see it sets it as a purple color. We've got brightness control down the bottom here, so we can go ahead and select 1% brightness or 100%, and at full brightness you can see there they are actually really bright, so impressed with that. If we move over to the color tab, this is basically just a massive color palette, so we can drag anywhere on the colors, and you've got 16.8 million to choose from, guys, so absolutely spoilt for choice. Fairly responsive. At the moment we're on land control. I went ahead and switched it because when it's not on land control, it is a little bit slow. So here's one color, and then if I move to another one, you can see it does take a second to respond. The land control does improve that a little bit. Obviously the colors still have to blend together, but you can see it does switch a little bit quicker there. So moving on to flow now, you can select 4 different colors and kind of blend between them. So here we've got red, green, blue and purple, and you can change all of these to whatever you want really. We'll just leave it as that at the moment. But yeah, slowly blend in between them. We have flow speed here as well, so you can manually set that if you want it to just slowly fade through them, which is pretty cool. Again, brightness control at the bottom. Now, if you've got any setting on the app that you like, you can go ahead and save it by clicking this button here and just name it as favorite and save it there. And then you can access it by going to here, clicking favorites, and you can apply those presets that you've saved. Let's talk about some of the other features. So over here we've got like a quick color picker, I guess. So you can just go ahead and click these presets and it just quickly applies them. If you have a look at this, we've got a timer, so we can select it to turn off after a certain period of time. So say if you was going to bed, you can have it switch off in say 2 hours or something like that. So that's pretty cool. We've also got schedules. So if you want to have the LED strips turn on and off at certain times of the day, every day or whatever, you can do that. Pretty standard with most smart home devices nowadays. So the final feature to show you really is music mode. Now you've got a couple of options here. You can either have it use the microphone on your phone to then record that and send it to the LED strips and have it react to music, or you can select flow on internal audio. So that will allow you to like play a song on your phone and it will send it straight to the LED strips that way. I'm going to go ahead and test it on the microphone so that we can see how it reacts to music that's played on my computer. So I'll go and play some now and we'll see how it reacts. So quite a few features here, although bear in mind that these are basic LED strips, so you're not going to be able to do any rainbow effects or anything like that, or have different parts of the strip, different colors. If you're looking to do that, you'll need individually addressable LED strips, or dream color LED strips as they're sometimes called. That should enable you to do that. But yeah, as far as basic LED strips go, I think these are really good. I love how the app is laid out. It's really easy to find everything and sort of save your favorites and things like that. They respond well. You've got the on-off button down there on the left, and I've not had any connectivity issues either. Now, Yeelight don't just make LED strips, they actually produce all these devices. So if you go to add device, you can see all the different devices they actually make down here. So it works as a whole ecosystem, and I guess they've kind of tried to do what Philips Hue do, but at a much cheaper price point, because I mean these LED strips are about half the price of the Hue strips. And I know a lot of the bulbs are cheaper as well. So if you are looking to get into an ecosystem and you want to have loads of products all in the same app, then Yeelight might be worth a look. So if you do want to pick these LED strips up, guys, I'll have them linked in the description for you. Hope you all enjoyed watching today. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. Really helps the channel out. And subscribe if you're new, because I've got loads more content coming for you, so you don't want to miss it. With that being said, hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll catch you all in the next one.